After understanding the concept roasting of metals in school, child is coating paint on metals in the home. This ability of child belongs to the objective application. How means they are understanding the concept of rusting of metal, and after they went to the home they are using that thing in home. At home they are using the paint. Yes, again they are using the paint. So what it is means, this is showing the child apply the previous knowledge. Learning is change in the behavior due to experience. When student fails to give answer to a question, teacher should use the technique. Okay, beta, it's okay. You did this time wrong, but you would you would be do to next time. You will be do to next time. Yes, better. You have to try better, then you will can do best. You have to use these words to the student. The stage of teaching recapitulation gives importance to this law of learning is law of use, because recapitulation is the step when the student we have to identify how the children are understood, how they were understood. We have to use that time, how much the children should know about this, and they had understood about this lesson. You have to identify their barriers during recapitulation. So you have to use this time the previous knowledge. Adolescence gives more priority to age mates. Boys are powerful and girls are weak is an example of gender bias. Yes, it is gender bias. This is construction of the society, our surrounding society. According to Vygotsky, scaffolding means change in the level of support. It is the answer is change in level of the support. The, Vygotsky, ZPD. It is ZPD. The challenge observed the with a child is not giving response to facial expression of other is visual challenge, because after they observed this that student is not giving you response, they with the facial expression means that student is disabled, means which disability, visual challenge, they have visual disability. So that's why they are not responding to the challenge observed. They are, yes, next means if they are not responding, they are not responding your question, whatever they you are giving instruction there, and that is not able to see and that is not able to give you response, means that is usual challenge. From the following psychologist, the concept of emotional intelligence was proposed by Daniel Goleman. Yes, psychologist, the concept of emotional intelligence. Who gave this? Daniel Goleman. Next. If you want Vygotsky whole theory means you can comment. I will explain you in detail, because some points are not I can't decide now, because it's too long video will become. Example related to social development from the following adventurous nature, helping others, increasing the capacity of criticism, and formation of gangs groups. It is the formation of gangs group. Answer is formation of gangs group. Next, the character related to adolescence is accelerated physical growth. Yes, in this age, the students are having change, whole physical change very faster. The teaching approach in which learning proceeds from particular to general is inductive approach. See here, if we are going through example to rule, that method is called inductive, or either particular to general, we are calling that method inductive approach. And we are using rule to the example, means that is deductive method, or general to particular method. Imitation, curiosity, asking question are the nature of this stage early childhood. The following element is not compulsory for learning to be occur: teaching, motive, goal, barrier. Teaching. See here, you have to facilitate the student. You have work as a facilitator, not a teacher. You should keep in your mind. Next is behavior can be shaped by the following learning: operant, operant conditioning, classical conditioning, trial and error, insight. So behaviors can shaped by operant conditioning. Next, external condition required for learning among the following is reinforcement. Yes, external condition for learning among, सो इट इज़ रेनफोर्समेंट, क्योंकि हम बच्चों को एक्सटर्नल कंडीशन, तुम करना सो करना, तुम लिख के लाना सो लाना, तुम दिखाना सो दिखाना, हम उसको एक्स्ट्रा क्या कर रहे, बच्चे को रेनफोर्समेंट कर रहे. इंटरेस्ट, एटीट्यूड एंड पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस, इट इज 3 or positive options over here. Next, among the following, the technique which does not create motivation is making recapitulation, because it is very boring, because in this session the students are very boring, because they are little bit what, they are bored, because they don't give answer, they only have to listen, they only have to learning and doing activities, they enjoying that activities, their activities. Whenever they we ask the question, that time you see students are little bit bored. In heuristic method, teacher treat the students as follows. In heuristic method, teacher treat how to the students, means researcher. This is all 30 question over here. Give comment in the box if you have any doubt, if you have related to question, any doubts you have, means you give, please you give suggestion in your comment, in our comment box. And thank you for watching this video. And you have more video related to kartet, means you please give comment, you give, please give message. I will come with new more videos for you only. Thank you.